Hello, hope you're well. Today, let's learn how to use the word 大丈夫. This word is really useful. Hope you remember this word from this video. I'm gonna share the meaning and how to use with you. First, this word means basically I'm okay, I'm alright, I'm good. If you use this word 大丈夫 with your friends, family members, someone close to you, you could say 大丈夫. But if you use this with someone you barely know or you've got to respect, in situations you've got to be polite, then you can say 大丈夫です. This is supposed to be added at the end of the word. So let's get into conversations. If I say 指切った、大丈夫？大丈夫です。When someone offers you something to drink, 何か飲みますか？大丈夫です。If someone makes out to pass at you, 電話番号教えて。大丈夫です。So you can tell by their expression, their face. If I say like 大丈夫です with a kind of smile, then that means okay, I'll give it to you. Next, if I say すみません、ご迷惑をおかけしました。お詫びに何かさせていただけませんか？大丈夫です。ありがとうございます。In this case, there's no other meanings behind 大丈夫です, but depends on the person. Let me put this right because I got you into trouble. 大丈夫です. It's okay. You don't need to. そのラーメンちょっともらっていい？いいよ。ありがとう。全部食べちゃったの？うん。ごめん。大丈夫。傘ありますけど、いりますか？大丈夫です。It's now raining outside. That's pretty much it. If you come up with good examples or questions, you could just ask me in the comment box below. And please hit the subscribe button and give me a thumbs up. And I'll see you in the next video. Stay healthy and hydrated. Cheers.